Episode 12 of 12, Build a Production-Style Spring AI App, the End-to-End Enterprise Blueprint. Here's every piece from this series assembled into one running app: controller, service, a four-advisor chain, a swappable model, flanked by security and observability rails. A real request from a real client hits a real endpoint. No test method, no mocked model. This is production shape. Layer 1, the controller stays thin. One job, delegate to the service. No prompt building here, no advisor logic. Just return service.ask. Layer 2, the service. It owns a final chat client field. This is where the AI seam actually lives, not up in the controller. One builder call assembles the whole downstream: default advisors, default tools, then build. Everything after this rides that chain. First in the chain, logging, your observability hook, seeing every request and response as it passes through. Redact user PII, never log raw. Second, memory. A follow-up question doesn't start the conversation from zero. A message window chat memory keeps the last 20 turns. Third, RAG. Ground the answer in your own policy documents instead of the model's guesswork. Small on-screen note: in 2.0.0, this is .builder. Update if you're following the older 1.0.3 course code. Fourth, tools. When the model needs a live fact, like an account status, it calls your Java method. Your code decides what's allowed, the model only requests. Underneath all four advisors sits a swappable model. Same chat client call, different provider, OpenAI today, Anthropic or Llama tomorrow. That's the portability Spring AI buys you. The response climbs back through the exact same chain, in reverse: tools, RAG, memory, logging. Nothing skips a step, so logging sees the final answer too, not just the request. Left rail lights up: security. Secrets are externalized through an environment variable and profile scoped config, never a literal key sitting in a class file. Right rail, observability. Every call through the chain is a trace span with token and latency data, and a prompt log switch you control, because prompts can contain user data. Before this ships, a relevancy evaluator checks the answer is actually grounded in what was retrieved. A CI gate, not a hope that the model behaved. Zoom out, your code on one side, the AI part on the other, and Spring AI is the seam that holds the whole thing together. Controller to service, through the chain to the model, wrapped by security and observability. That's the one rule. Compose advisors, don't hand-roll orchestration. Logging, memory, RAG, tools, each an advisor in an ordered chain, never an if statement buried inside your service method. Series complete. Spring AI moves fast. Update notes live at thestackunderflow.com/spring-AI. Subscribe for the update episode.